Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We are going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia and we're going to start with the steam and we'll start with that. So first I'm going to quick little purge and it's all ready to go. Take some of the water out and we can show how strong, nice strong steam from the Silvia. Now to purge or to a temper down for coffee, I'm going to turn the steam off. I'm going to open up the valve and allow some of the pressure out and then hit the hot water button, which will incorporate hot water into the boiler tank. There we go, it's nice and open. I can feel it coming in. And with that cool water from the reservoir going into the boiler, it will take the temperature from way up there in the 240s for steam down to about 200 for 202 for coffee. So let's see. Give that a shot, and as it's heating right back up, we'll come over, quickly tamp. This is also an art form. So my brother told me to keep it more than I thought, but I have a little too much coffee in there, but we'll give that just a second to hopefully get up to temperature. There's a max. Yeah, there's a max where there we go. I poured a filter in. I'm gonna go ahead and just shot it. It is hot enough for the shot. This is some nice fresh coffee, so we should have resistance around. Yeah, there it is. Like I said, that was may have a little too much in the portafilter, but it's gonna work out to be a good shot. All right, there you go. Nice shot of espresso, strong steam. Thank you very much for the repair. We appreciate it. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.